Alright, so we have learned about the let keyword and const keyword and how we can create JavaScript variables by using the let and the const keywords. Now we will learn about the legacy var keyword. Okay, I am showing it to you because many of the older code bases might have the var keyword written on it, but it is not recommended to use the var keyword. Okay, so let's get started then. So first of all, let's declare a variable. So let age once again equals to 10. All right. And then what we can do here, we can do something like age equals to age plus 2 and console log of age. Okay. That is totally valid. All right. This is something which we know. Now let's do the same thing with the var keyword. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just do something like this. And let's do var age equals to 10, or let's do 10 here. Okay, so age equals to age plus 2 and console log of age. Once again we are getting 12. All right, so everything is working properly here. So you might think like, okay, the var and the let keyword is quite similar. Yes, you are correct. It is quite similar, but it is not the same. And now I will show you the difference. So if I just comment out this one and just uncomment this one, remember we cannot do something like this. Let age equals to 50. If we do that, we will get an error. We cannot re-declare the variables here. Okay. But if I just go here, I will just comment out this one and go to the var, and let's do var age equals to 50. This is totally valid code. Now the age is 50. Okay, and this is one of the main differences between the let and the var keyword. Okay, and this is quite bad, right? This behavior is quite bad, because accidentally inside of your large code base you can just redeclare a variable, right? You will not get any sort of errors or something like that. Okay, also when we learn about the scopes and hoisting, then the difference between the var and the let keyword will be more clear. Also, as you can see here, I'm not discussing the const keyword because const and let are the newer ones, and as you can see inside of the const keyword as well, you cannot redeclare the variable, right? You cannot update the variable as well. Okay, so const and var keywords are really different. Let and var keyword works in a same way, same manner, but as you can see, var keyword variables, the variables which have been declared by using the var keyword can be redeclared, right? But the variables which have been declared with the let keyword cannot be redeclared. Okay, this is the main difference. All right, so this is basically it. Also, before moving forward, I just wanted to show you one other way to declare a variable which is also not recommended. So here, as you can see, I can do something like this: age equals to 10, console log of age. This is also valid, but you should not use variables like this. Okay, so there are some of the rules which you should follow. So this example which I just showed you, it is the automatic assignment of the variables. Okay, all right. So in this video, I will discuss with you when to use var, let or const. Okay, so when you want to use var, for example, you are working with a very old code base where var is used, then you want to use var in that case. Otherwise, do not use var. Okay, avoid using var keyword. So now I will discuss with you some of the rules. First of all, always declare your variables. Do not do something like this. This is totally not recommended. Okay, always try to use the const keyword. Okay, always try to use the const keyword. In case if you want to have a variable which might be changed in the near future or in the code base, you then can use the let keyword. Okay, always use the const if the value should not be changed. Okay, always use const if the type should not be changed as well. This statement will make more sense when we will learn about the arrays and objects. All right, then only use the let keyword if you cannot use the const keyword. Okay, all right, and avoid using the var keyword. Also avoid using this self declaration of the variables here. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right, so in this video we have learned about the var keyword in JavaScript and what exactly is the difference between let, const, var keywords.